Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up HTC U23 Pro for a senior person. To do this, we'll need to open our settings, and sadly on this device you can't find the simple or senior mode, so we'll need to change some of the settings manually. Now find accessibility settings, and right here we can go for display size and text. Increase the font size text, font and text size on this device, and also the display size. Display size will increase the size of the icons and overall buttons. Then we have the bold text that you can activate, and there's also option to enable the high contrast text, so it's much more visible. Now go back, and the next thing that we can cover is color and motion, and here enable remove animations. It should reduce the motion sickness on this device while using it. Then we have magnification. If you decide to enable it, then you can find this icon floating around your screen and you can click on it, then click anywhere on the screen to zoom in. If you want to leave this zoom, click on the loop icon again. And I think that's all of the settings that we can cover, because there's not much else that would help. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.